I don't like this sound system in this truck as much as I did the last one. Fuck, what did I just do now? Please uninstall the app. So it wants me to redo something. Okay, I don't have time for this. Fuck this. Okay. I'll have to do that after. Okay, I'll be right back. Well, no, I'll take you guys with me. I gotta go get the... I'm gonna get this done before the snow really gets going here. Oh. I'm gonna say we got about a ½ inch so far. Watch out, Wally. Where's that tube? Right there. Go to Canadian Tire first and get that right out of the way. Okay, I don't need anything else here. I'm gonna turn that heat off in the back because it's too hot in here now with this weather. It's there. I'm gonna bring one of my bottles of water with me too. I'm thirsty. And I left yesterday without water. I ended up paying for water, which is an absolute tragedy considering there's nothing in a bottle that's better than what I've got here. Okay, there we go. All right, let's get this day on the go. Watch out, Wally. Watch out. We'll see how these tires are in the slippery snow now without four-wheel drive. I won't film the whole way there like I did yesterday. You guys have already seen all that. So propane, everything's still working good. So we're set there. We're pretty much ready for everything. We'll finish up the groceries for my mom and for me, and we'll settle in for the big so-called snowstorm. Okay, we'll see you guys in a while. Okay, bud? Okay, buds? You guys be good out there. Anyway, I know. Okay, talk to you after. Bye. Oh, hey everyone, I'm back. I just thought I'd give you a quick winter wonderland has already started, and I'm not in four-wheel drive, and okay, there we go. I just wanted to see whether the how slippery it was for the tires. Anyway, we're good. I'm happy. So we're on our way to Perth, but the winter wonderland has started. Way too warm in here. I gotta figure out how to turn that temperature off. I got the music working good. Took a couple of reinstalls of my software on the phone was the problem. But I got it figured out now. My neighbor up. He's out getting his truck started. Mr. Mike Lee. Oh, we got somebody ahead of us just popped out of their laneway or thing. And they're going to drive slow, mark my word. Yep. sells the eggs. Eric. I don't recognize this vehicle. Unless he's just got it's a neighbor showing up to get some eggs. That's probably what's going on. Because I don't, because my neighbor Eric, there's his pickup truck there. Unless that's his wife. I didn't know she had a car. Oh well, anyway, it doesn't matter. Which reminds me, I gotta make sure I don't forget my mother's eggs. Alright, well, I'm gonna shut this down again. Pay attention to my driving. And I want to listen to my music. Haha, today I'm in a music mood. Whoa, get over, Polly. Okay. We see you folks later. Hey everyone, well, we're done the shopping in Perth. On our way back to my mom's now to drop her groceries off. And it's ice raining. They did say that we'd get ice rain, so we may not get as much snow. I don't know. Or it could be the worst of both worlds and we get both. So far, the pickup seems to be doing great. Even with these tires I don't like, I haven't had any trouble at all, slippy, slidey, anything. So I'm going to say I'm pretty freaking happy about that. I hope just some clown doesn't go sliding into me. This is where I saw the deer earlier, didn't I? Turkeys in the field today. I expect the deer should be huddled down by now. Wasn't busy in town at all. Not really. Anyway, it's only 20 minutes to 3, so I'm way ahead of schedule. I'm happy. I managed to get to Canadian Tire and get the light I needed. And some vinegar. I'd forgotten I needed vinegar. And then I went to Metro, got some groceries there for me and my mom. And then over to, what's the one I went to? Shoppers Drug Mart. I finally found my mother her cottage cheese that she likes. And then independent grocer because I needed a couple more things for my recipe, which we're going to film later. I gotta fry up some more sausage and onion and stuff. I'm gonna make a bigger pot than I initially had planned on. Windshield was starting to freeze up. I found the button for the defroster. Boy, does it ever work good, boy. And then the two mirrors, they have a heater. And then the sliding back window has also got heater on it. So this thing here has got no trouble unfrosting the windows. But I'll be glad to be off the road here. I got some bad news. My bike, the cage that goes around the clutch, there's 4 bolts in there. Well, they got sheared off and they broke it. And a new one for it is over $300 if I want a Yamaha, a new one. And they may not get it for weeks, if not months. So I'm going to reach out to that guy out west again and see if he's got the part I need. I got to remember to call the shop to ask him for that part number and see if I can scare something up. I'm hoping that guy has it. Somebody waiting for their kids. Hey, nope. Oh, it's Christmas stuff still. I thought that was... ooh, okay, easy, buddy. Oh, shit. No sliding, slipping, or anything. Wow. Okay. I actually think I'm starting to like this truck. I can tell you right now, I certainly feel safe in it. I feel like I'm in a cockpit of the USS Enterprise or something. But the township's been out. You can see the sand on the road on the corners and stuff. It's my neighbor, the Flood, John Flood. I guess he's out. I'll bet he's out working today. Is the dump truck there? No, his pickup truck, he's working on it. Oh, he's plowing. Oh no, there's the dump truck setting. Okay, so he's not working. He's just out plowing today. What's going on here? Well, that's our, you can see that, that's our little splitter. Jamie loans it to him, and he does loan stuff to us, so gotta get him booked in for spring to put a load of granular A or road gravel, for you guys that don't know the business, into my front laneway where it dips. I gotta get that leveled up. So at this point, the Grizzly is $500 already, and he's gonna put a carb kit in it, change the oil. It needs front brakes, so that's all fine. So about $500, I guess that's including the labor. So anyway, it doesn't look like I'll be on the Grizzly for a while at this rate. That's okay. Like I said to the shop, it's like I, put this off and put this off, and now I'm paying for it. So, c'est la vie. So it's time to spend some money on the Grizz. Maybe I'll be able to get out sometime in the middle of February. Last couple of weeks of ice fishing, if the weather ever cooperates. I gotta get a hold of Kurt, or I might even take a drive up there Sunday and see if he wants to do any just walk on things. I don't imagine he's gonna want to go on the ice with his ATVs either. Just a shitty year for ice fishing, at least around here. Now, it doesn't mean it's over. I can still go up north. So the ATV can go in the back, and then that's all I need to bring, and no trailer or nothing. So me, the truck, and the ATV, we'll head up to Lake Nipigon or something. So yep, slippery here. Diesel, I can smell his diesel coming in the truck here. Yeah, this is definitely not the weather I want to be out in. Well, they said it might stay a little bit warmer, and then we're going to get the ice rain, so here we are. Well, I'm going to put you guys away here because I got to call my mom and let her know I'm coming in. She'll open the garage door and everything. So, all right, we'll see you guys later. I'll film as the snowstorm goes along, but it's going to be dark in a couple hours, so we'll see how much I'm able to film. Okay, see everybody later. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps build the channel more than anything else. Okay, bye.